Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, October 19th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had we had our share of disappointments today, but it still ended up not a bad day. But I'm more excited about what I think is coming than what actually happened today. We ended up closing out about $1,000 negative in terms of what we brought in from Friday, but we got into some new trades, and a couple of them look pretty good. We're carrying about $4,000 positive going into tomorrow. As far as the Dow action, I was pretty pleased with what happened today. We got, I remember I called the Dow up on Friday for today, and there was some bad news out of China again. I think some stuff out of Morgan Stanley, I believe, or something. Anyway, drove the Dow down at the beginning, but it immediately started to recover from there. Again, indicative of a bull market, and it just kind of kept putting on a little strength all day long, and ended up closing at its high and making higher highs for this last move it's had. I think that's very significant. The Dow ended up closing up 15 points. I had called it higher. I expected a stronger move today, but the fact is, what I'm now looking at is basically 1, 2, 3, 4 bull spikes in a row here, with the last one being right after the open this morning. And with this thing closing where it did today, I am going to go out on a limb. I'm calling it up tomorrow, and I'm calling up actually up hard. I think this thing is going to move tomorrow. So I'm happy that we are holding some decent positions, and I'm expecting that they're going to get quite a bit better tomorrow. That's my prediction. I'll show you some of the trades today. We had a trade in GW Pharmaceuticals. This was kind of interesting. We took this the last 15 minutes on Friday, just really at the last minute, and it gaps up very nicely this morning. It actually was going from real highs, and we didn't get out at our normal time. We're hanging on to it, but then we get stopped out as it faded here. But we got stopped out for some pretty good profits on that. We got about $3,500 positive out of GW Pharmaceuticals. So I'll take that. That's not a bad trade, even though I would have liked to have gotten out a little higher. It's just those things happen when you're trading a mechanical system. I'll show you the big disappointment today. This is we're still in this. This is Vascular Biogenics, and we had a big move here this morning. We got into this, and it really took off here. And up here at the top, we're up about $5,000 on Vascular Biogenics, but then it kind of fades. Almost looks like a failure here, although I don't think it's a failure. I think it's still finished up like 9% or so on the day. But we went from about, positive nearly $5,000 here down to about positive $800. And of course that was disappointing. But we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Hey, maybe it's going to go back up again. We'll just have to wait and see. I'll show you one of the medical stocks that we got into that did better than Vascular Biogenics. This is OVA Science. And we got into this right at the beginning of the day. It also got up here close to $5,000 for us right here on top. And then it faded and it came down and actually went slightly negative down here. Oh, I was just sick about this one. But then it starts putting on some strength toward the end. And that looks real good. We're holding, I think, yeah, about $4,000 in OVA Science. So this looks real good. I would like to see us get, you know, another up push tomorrow, and I think that could happen. I really could happen. So anyway, you know, I am anticipating a good day tomorrow. I hope I'm right. I think we're going to get some moves tomorrow. Anyway, that's Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.